So today we're going to repair the Magnetron on a GE microwave. To do this, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You've got some screws here on the top that we probably not going to be that interested in. Also, we're going to need a can of spray paint. This is because we're going to end up marring a little bit of the finish, and when you need to make sure that your spray paint will match your microwave. In this particular instance, we're using OSHA Safety Yellow. I recommend that you spray this in an inconspicuous spot just to make sure that it does match. So, yeah, that looks good. I think you won't be able to tell that. We're also going to need the powder out of this bullet, 300 Remington Ultra Mag, and we'll also need the bullet tip off of this bullet, and that should help us repair the Magnetron on this GE microwave. We believe this to be the approximate amount of tannerite it will take. So we're going to do some real quick calculations here. The bullet travels at 3,000 feet per second, and it is a 210 grain bullet. And I believe that the wind today is blowing in Oklahoma approximately 155 miles per hour. And it needs to go through 2 inches of space between its first contact and contact with the tannerite. And then we calculate the explosive power at 500. Yep, looks like it's going to work. So we brought with us the very finest of demolition experts. The company we contracted out with sent these to us on the cheap, so I think that we're going to get what we pay for here.
Can you tell him hi?
Yep, this is the service we can expect. So, as you can see, we have marked where we believe to be the best spot for drilling using our ammunition that we showed earlier. We believe this should line up pretty well. Kind of at the fat part of the mouth there, my spray paint artist got a little crazy. We'll see.
I'll go over here. Just kind of stand it up.
So here is the tool that we're going to be using, as I alluded to earlier with the powder and the bullet tip. This tool will be providing the ignition on that, and our microwave is located about 200 yards down there.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
So this was the piece that shot way up in the air. I believe we can consider this Magnetron calibrated.
Base stayed in.
Yeah. That is